channel. So for today's video, our group discussed an important topic in statistics and probability, random variables. We will explain what they are, give examples, and show how they are used in simple experiments like rolling dice and tossing coins.
In an experiment, the result is called an outcome. All possible outcomes form the example space written as X. Example, for a die equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For a coin, H or T. For a card, equal ace, jack, 1 to 10, heart, speed, and diamond, and cover. The result outcome help us understand what might happen in our experiment.
A random variable written is X rules that assign a number to each outcomes in the sample space. This does not mean the variable is changed randomly. Instead, it gives a specific numerical variable based on the result of the experiment. Example, X count the number of hearts is a draw, then X equals 0, 1. Because you either take a heart or you don't.
If you toss the first coin, the result must be hit in tail. If you toss the second coin, the result must be hit in tail. Let's look at a simple example, tossing a coin twice. This is possible outcomes. Red, 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 tail, 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 tail. The number of eggs we assign 2, 1, 1, 0. So the possible value of x are 0, 1, 2.
Now let's try tossing 3 coins. Sample space H, 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 T, H, T, H, H, T, 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 H, H, T, T, H, and T, T, T. Now, we're gonna create a table. Possible outcome and the number of x. If x counts the number of tails, we list the number of tails in each outcome. So, we're gonna the possible outcome H, 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 T, H, T, H, H, T, 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 H, H, T, T, H, T, T. So the number of that is 0, 1, 1, values 0, 1, 2, and 3. So that's it. In summary, random variables help us convert outcomes into numbers so we can analyze them. They make it easier to study probability, create tables, and understand real-life situations involving chance. That's end our presentation about random variables. That is for today's Stat Vlogs. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe because the mean of level of awesomeness here keeps going up. See you on the next video!